everyone, welcome to my channel Just About Everything with Us. This is Yuvraj and we are back with a new video for you guys. So guys, आज it's an exciting moment for us as the most awaited LG G8X ThinkQ is in our hands from Flipkart Big Billion Day sale. So I've bought this one for just 19,990. I've actually ordered 2 units. The second one I've bought it for 18,250, which will be delivered to me by the 20th. But this one was quick. We just got hands on it in just one day. So I've literally placed order yesterday for this one. So in this video guys, we are going to unbox it and we'll get to know, जैसे कि हम सब जानते हैं कि there were some items missing like the charging adapter from this particular packing from the festive sale from Flipkart. There is a reason behind it. I'll tell you the reason why they have actually removed the charging adapter, which is actually silly to do so because इतनी कोई महंगी चीज़ नहीं है and when you're doing such a wonderful sale, why to just remove an item from the box. So there is a reason behind it guys. We'll talk about it later, but the most exciting part first. चलिए इसको अनबॉक्स करते हैं. Let's find out what's in the box. वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले गाइस जस्ट रिक्वेस्ट, प्लीज डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल. विल रियली अप्रिशिएट. थैंक यू. लेट्स बिगिन. So we have passed through the first packing. This is how we get. Let's hope, like the spread rumors, हमें साबुन नहीं भेज दिया फ्लिपकार्ट ने. Okay, so what is this? As you can see guys, LG G8X black 128GB, ordered for 19,990. Here we are. Just simple packaging. Okay, so let's show you what's written here first. So as we can read on the accessory included guys, data cable 1 unit, battery 1 unit, earphones 1 unit, mobile case 1 unit, additional display 1 unit, user guide plus warranty and SIM ejector. So definitely yes, the charger is missing guys, as LG tweeted on their official handle on Twitter. So आपको दिखा देते हैं और क्या क्या है इस बॉक्स पे. It is looking a little dirty, but let's find out one more thing here. So month of year and import is 10/20/20, so it's October 20. So it's a recent manufactured unit, which is exciting because अगर ये recently manufactured and packed हुआ है, that means कि this will come with the latest version of Android. We don't have to upgrade it ourselves. So ये रही, this is how we get the additional dual screen display out first. Then the next box is definitely alright. So here we are, as we said, festive special limited edition. Okay, see the seal is definitely there, so do not accept if seal is broken. It's not tampered from anywhere. Qualcomm logo there, and that's it. That's how the box is. Let's get into the box first and get the mobile device out. So guys, while we're doing this, let's talk about why they have actually removed the charger from this case. Now I'm not sure if you guys have an idea, but जब से e-commerce आया है तब से ही there has been issues in the retail market. कि obviously they come up with such a wonderful sale and stuff that the retail shops and the stores like you can say Vijay Sales, Sargam, these all are actually running. It's very difficult for them to actually get the sales from the market because e-commerce पे इतनी सस्ती चीज़ें मिल जाती हैं. So the same way, LG obviously has not introduced this sale price for anybody offline. Like किसी store पे आपको ये offer नहीं मिल रहा है. This is only for online. So obviously they have to to avoid consequences with the other sellers. They have to remove something from the box so that they can actually give you a reason. जब आप क्रोमा पे जाओ या अगर आप सरगम पे जाओ तो they can actually tell you कि why हमारे पास ये अभी भी 54,990 का बिक रहा है स्टोर पे. That is the reason that they have to remove one item from the box to give that difference. So this is the only reason behind it, which is logically acceptable. Otherwise और कोई reason बनता नहीं है. LG ऐसी बड़ी कंपनी जब इतनी बढ़िया सेल लेके आ रही है तो उनके लिए कोई प्रैक्टिकली इतनी बड़ी चीज़ नहीं है एक चार्जर बॉक्स में डालना. तो ऑब्वियसली स्क्रीन रिमूव कर नहीं सकते थे बिकॉज दैट्स द यूनिक सेलिंग पॉइंट फॉर दिस डिवाइस. तो ये हमारा फ़ोन निकल गया गाइज. इसमें अब आपको मैं पहले ही दिखा देता हूँ. दिस इज़ जस्ट द डेटा केबल वी आर गेटिंग, बट दैट्स ऑड कि हमें ब्लैक फ़ोन के साथ वाइट डेटा केबल दे रहे हैं. इट शुड बी ब्लैक. मतलब लग रहा है कुछ भी डाल दिया बॉक्स के अंदर, सिर्फ यूनिट्स कंप्लीट करनी है. दिस इज द हैंड्स फ्री एक्स्ट्रा ईयरबड्स. लेट्स कीप इट लाइक दैट. ओके, दिस इज स्ट्रेंज. ब्लैक आनी चाहिए थी बट वाइट आई है. दैट्स फाइन. सो हियर वी आर. हियर इज द डिवाइस गाइस. ब्यूटीफुली लुकिंग. अभी इसको पावर ऑन करेंगे थोड़ी देर में एंड यू गेट दिस वाइपिंग क्लॉथ विद इट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री. इसमें आपका मोबाइल केस होना चाहिए या यूज योर क्विक गाइड एंड हियर वी गो. अ सॉफ्ट केस. So that's how your phone looks like in it. I never use it personally. The rest is your decision. Okay, now the exciting part, the LG dual screen is here. So let's see. It says not for sale, complimentary with LG G8X. Thank you. There's a logo here if you can see. Original accessory from LG. Nothing else. Made in Vietnam, obviously. Okay, so let's open it. There's another seal here. We have to get past this. Okay. So here it is, guys. The instructions to how to install dual screen, which is not a rocket science. We can do it without the instructions. Wow, I mean that's good. This is your Pogo connector, guys. In this, don't throw it. इसको निकाल लेना. And this is your screen. We will connect it later on. Let's switch on the phone first and see कितनी charging मिलती है हमें इसके साथ. Okay, erasing, that's something new to see on a device. I'm not sure what it was erasing. Just introduction, guys. Let's go ahead. Insert SIM card. Okay, so I'll have to take out my SIM and install it in this phone. So this is what you get inside the box, guys. You have your charging adapter missing, as it was said on Flipkart and informed by LG on Twitter. So other than this, guys, I have inquired with the LG customer care. The charger will cost you somewhere around $900. So 900 रुपये का चार्जर है, which will be an additional investment. I'll suggest कि आप अगर इतना we have obviously got such a wonderful deal, तो 900 रुपये should not mind. हमें ओरिजिनल चार्जर ले लेना चाहिए फ्रॉम LG, बिकॉज ब्रांड न्यू फ़ोन है और हर कोई जानता है यार फ़ोन की बैटरी गिव अप कर देती है अगर आप उसको ऐसी किसी भी अदर चार्जर से चार्ज करते हो तो इट्स रिकमेंडेड दैट यू यूज़ ओनली द ब्रांडेड चार्जर्स विद इट. बट एनीवेज ऐसा कोई इट्स नॉट अ बिग डील. अगर आपके पास घर पे ऑलरेडी कोई चार्जर है विच इज़ अराउंड 16-20 वॉट्स, देन दिस विल सपोर्ट इट विद फास्ट चार्जिंग. तो जस्ट मेक श्योर कि आप ऑब्वियसली कोई और चार्जर यूज़ नहीं कर रहे हो विच इज़ ओवर 20 वॉट्स और अंडर 10 वॉट्स, बिकॉज देन उसमें आपको एफिशिएंसी नहीं मिलेगी चार्जिंग में. That's all, guys. This is what we get in the box, and hope you get your order soon and enjoy. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, guys. Till next time, take care. See you again.